Hello would-be librarians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's continue our discussion of UGC NET June 2025 Library Science paper. Today I will be covering question number 61 to 65 with detailed explanation in simple and clear language. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do check them out. Links are given in the description box below. So let's begin. Question number 61 is identify patent databases from the given list. Options are patent scope, in pass, pate state, KIPO, the lens. The correct answer is option number B and C, that is in pass and pate state. Out of the given options, only two are Indian patent databases, that is in pass and pate state. INPAS stands for Indian Patent Advanced Search System. It is managed by the Indian Patent Office. And the PATE state is an Indian patent database used for searching and analyzing Indian patent information. While the rest are, that is Patent Scope is a global patent database managed by WIPO, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. And KIPO stands for Korean Intellectual Property Office, so it belongs to South Korea. And the lens, this is an international open access patent search platform not specific to India. So the correct Indian databases are INPAS and PATE state. In question number 62, we have to choose the functions of NKC from the given options. The correct options are promote open access across the nation, promote a knowledge-driven society, and advise the government on matters related to higher education. NKC was set up by the Government of India in 2005 under the chairmanship of Sam Pitroda. Its main goal was to build a knowledge-driven society and strengthen India's education, research, and information access systems. Now let's see each option. First is promote open access across the nation. NKC worked to promote open access to knowledge, ensuring people could easily access information and educational resources. Next is promote a knowledge-driven society. One of the main objectives of NKC was to make India a society where knowledge drives growth and development. Next option is generate revenue through paid memberships. NKC is not a commercial body. It doesn't generate revenue or charge membership fees. Next option is advise the government on matters related to higher education. One of the key functions of NKC was to give policy advice to the government on education, research, and information access. Last option is develop a nationwide digital library infrastructure. NKC recommended improving library systems. Its core function did not directly include developing the infrastructure itself. So the correct functions are A, B, and D only. Next question is Global Open Access Portal is an initiative of. The options are UNESCO, IFLA-PAC, Indian Statistical Institute, RIALIC, and WIPO. The correct options are UNESCO, Indian Statistical Institute, and RIALIC. Global Open Access Portal is an initiative started to provide a single platform that gives information about open access policies, projects, and institutions from around the world. It basically helps researchers and librarians know which countries and organizations are supporting open access to scholarly knowledge. Now let's see the options one by one. First is UNESCO. GOAP was developed by UNESCO. It promotes free access to knowledge globally and supports the idea that research should be available to everyone. Next option is IFLA PAC. It deals with preservation and conservation of library materials, not open access initiatives. Indian Statistical Institute contributed to the development of GOAP along with other global partners. And RIALIC is also a partner in the GOAP project. REALIC is a network of scientific journals from Latin America, Caribbean, Spain, and Portugal. Last option is WIPO. It deals with patents and intellectual property, not open access research. So the correct answer is UNESCO, Indian Statistical Institute, and REALIC. Question number 64 is, in colon classification, personality facet of the main class J, that is agriculture, is made of the following components. The options are part array, geographical device, genus/species number, utility array, and least concrete. Part array, genus and species number, and utility array are the correct options. As we all know that in colon classification, every subject is divided into different facets like personality, matter, energy, space, and time. Now the question is about the personality facet of the main class J, that is agriculture. Personality facet basically represents the main focus or subject what the document is about. Now in agriculture, this facet is made up of several important components, that is utility array, part array, and genus/species number. Utility array shows how useful a crop or plant is. For example, food crops, fiber crops, medicinal plants, etc. Part array shows which part of the plant is being discussed, like root, stem, leaf, flower, or seed. Next is genus and species number. It represents the specific plant type or species like rice, wheat, maize, etc. So these three together form the personality facet of agriculture in colon classification. Other options like geographical device or least concrete do not belong here. In short, personality facet deals with what is being studied, and in agriculture, that means the utility, parts, and species of crops. In question number 65, we have to choose metadata harvesting tools from the given options. Options are OAI PMH, Apache Solar, Z39.50, SRU/SRW, and OAI-ORE. The correct options are A, D, and E, that is OAI PMH, SRU/SRW, and OAI-ORE. Metadata harvesting is the process of collecting or gathering metadata from different digital libraries or repositories so that all the records can be searched and accessed from one place. Now let's see each option one by one. First is OAI PMH. It stands for Open Archives Initiative Protocol for Metadata Harvesting. This is the most common metadata harvesting protocol. It helps one repository collect metadata from another using a standard format like Dublin Core. Next is Apache Solar. It is an search engine platform, not a metadata harvester. It is used for indexing and searching data. Next is Z39.50. It is a search and retrieval protocol used by library catalogs, not for metadata harvesting. Next is SRU/SRW. Stands for search and retrieval via URL or web service. These are web-based search protocols used to retrieve metadata records from digital repositories. Last is OAI-ORE, Open Archives Initiative, Object, Reuse and Exchange. This tool allows the sharing and exchange of metadata and digital objects between systems. So the correct metadata harvesting tools are A, D, and E, that is OAI PMH, SRU/SRW, and OAI-ORE. That's all for today's video. I hope this detailed explanation helped you understand the concepts better. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more UGC NET Library Science updates. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.